Understanding Kinetic Installations, Art in Motion. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that combines art, technology, and movement: kinetic installations. If you're curious about how art can move and interact with its surroundings, then you're in the right place. Let's explore together what kinetic installations are and why they're such a captivating form of art. Kinetic installations refer to a type of art that incorporates movement as part of its expression. Unlike traditional static sculptures or paintings, these installations change and evolve over time, often powered by motors, natural forces, or even viewer interaction. The key element here is movement, which brings these installations to life and creates a dynamic experience for the viewer. Kinetic installations are made up of several key components. Movement, the defining feature of kinetic art. This can be mechanical, powered by motors, or natural, driven by wind or water. Interactivity, many kinetic installations are designed to respond to the viewer's presence or actions, creating a unique, personalized experience. Technology, artists often use advanced technologies, including sensors, computers, and robotics, to bring their visions to life. Materials, a wide range of materials can be used, from traditional metals and woods to modern plastics and fabrics, each adding its texture and feel to the installation. Kinetic installations are not just about visual appeal. They engage viewers on multiple levels. Sensory engagement. By moving and changing, these installations stimulate the visual senses in unique ways. Emotional response. The dynamic nature of kinetic art can evoke strong emotions, from wonder and excitement to calmness and reflection. Intellectual stimulation. Viewers are often prompted to think about the technology and concepts behind the artwork, sparking curiosity and discussion. To give you a clearer idea, let's look at some renowned kinetic installations. Alexander Calder's mobiles. These are delicate, balanced structures that move gracefully with air currents, pioneering the concept of mobile kinetic art. Theo Jansen's strandbusts. Enormous, wind-powered sculptures that walk on beaches, mimicking lifelike movements with a complex system of sails and pistons. Kinetic installations bring a unique blend of art, technology, and movement to the world, offering viewers an immersive and interactive experience. Whether powered by natural forces or cutting-edge technology, these works challenge our perceptions of what art can be and how it can affect us. We hope this video has sparked your interest in kinetic installations and the endless possibilities they represent. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more exciting art topics soon.